I know how it feels to struggle in math. I was just like you. But with hard work, I learned it. Come on, learn math with Teacher Rochelle. Finding the LCM of two or more numbers using listing method and prime factorization.
Let us try this.
Give the GCF of each pair of numbers using listing method and prime factorization. By listing method, 15 and 50. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. The factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. The common factors of these two are 1 and 5. However, 5 is the greatest. So the GCF of 15 and 50 is 5. By prime factorization, the prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5 because 3 times 5 is 15. The factors of 50 are 2, 5, and 5 because 2 times 5 times 5 is 50. The common factor between these two is 5. Therefore, the GCF of 15 and 50 is 5. We can see that we get the same answer using two different methods. 18 and 54 using the listing method. 18's factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. How about 54? We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. The common factors of these two numbers are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, and the greatest is 18. Therefore, the GCF of 18 and 54 is 18. Using the prime factorization, of 18 and 54, the prime factors of 18 are 2, 3, and 3 because 2 times 3 times 3 is 18. For 54, we have 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is also equal to 54. Then, put down the common. So we have 2, 3, and 3. When we multiply these three numbers, 2 times 3 is 6 times 3 is 18. Therefore, the GCF of 18 and 54 is 18. We can also see that even if we used two different methods, we got the same answer, which is 18. Remember, the greatest common factor, or GCF, is the greatest factor that divides two numbers evenly. To find the GCF of two numbers, you can use listing method or prime factorization method. If there are no common factors, the GCF is 1.
Let us discuss this.
Least common multiple. When we say multiple, this is a number that is a product of a certain number and 1, 2, 3, 4, or any number that we want. For example, 9 is a multiple of 3 because 9 is, when we multiply 3 and 3, it's 9. 20 is a multiple of 4 because 4 times 5 is 20. Let us have the least common multiple of 4 and 9. So we have also two methods in getting the LCM, least common multiple or LCM, of two or more numbers. The first method is just like for the GCF, we have the listing method. Okay. How do we do this? So let us have the multiples of 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, or simply skip count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on. For 9, we have 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, skip count, we can also skip count, 36, 45, 54, 63, and so on. Why do I have to put 3 dots here? It means that there are infinite multiples of a number. So we have the common. Okay, here is the common. And the least, of course, this is also the least. The least means the smallest, the lowest. So the LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. Let us use another method, the prime factorization. Kids, make sure that you already know the prime numbers. The smallest prime number is 2. The next is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. When we say prime numbers, these are numbers that have only 1 and itself as factors. So we have the prime factors of 4 and 9. What are the prime factors of 4? We have 2 times 2. The prime factors of 9 are 3 times 3. I did not put 3 here below 2 because 2 and 3 are different numbers. So I will put this down. I'll put 2 down. I'll bring it down. 2 times 2. Unlike in GCF, we only put the number or the common numbers or the common factors here, common prime factors. But in LCM, we put down all the prime factors of a certain number. So times 3 times 3. Then we multiply them. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. The LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. We can see that even if I use different methods, I still get the same answer. Let us have another example. We have 3, 6, and 15. Let us have the multiples of 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's just keep counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, and so on. For 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, and so on. 15, we have 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, okay, and so on. Can you see a common multiple among these numbers already? So we have, okay, we have 30, 30, 30, 30. We can see that 18 is a common multiple of 18 and 12 are common multiples of 3 and 6. However, 18 and 12 are not present here in 15. So we cannot consider it as the LCM of the 3. 15 also is a common multiple of 3 and 15, but it is not here in 6. Make sure that if we have 3 numbers, we get the multiple that is common to the 3 of them. Okay. So, the LCM of 3, 6, and 15 is 30. For the prime factorization, let us also use the prime factorization so that you kids will have options. Which one is easier for you? If the listing method is easier for you to use, you may use it. If it's the prime factorization, you may use it also. We can use any method that is easier for us so that we can understand, or we understand the process or the method or how we solve each problem that we encounter. So for 3, the prime factor of 3 is 3. I'll put it here.
Why? Why did I put the 3 here? Because I saw 6 and I know that the prime factors of 6 are 2 times 3. Okay. So that I have a space here for 2. 15, we have 3 times 5. Okay. I'll bring down the factors or the prime factors. We have 2. I'll bring down 3. I only brought down 1 3 even if I have 3 threes here. Then we have 5. So make sure that you align a specific factor of a number so that you will not be confused in bringing down the prime factors. So 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 30. Therefore, the LCM of 3, the LCM of 3, 6, and 15 is 30. We got the same answer.
Let us answer this.
Give the LCM of each pair of numbers using listing method and prime factorization. By listing method, for 6, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and so on. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, and 120. We have two common multiples. These are 30 and 60. But what we need is the least common multiple. So we have 30. The LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. Using prime factorization method, for 6, the prime factors is 2 and 3, or 2 times 3. For 15, we have 3 times 5. I put 3 below 3 because they are the same. So we will bring down 2, bring down 3, just bring down 1 3. Then bring down 5. Now we have 2 times 3 times 5, which is 30. Therefore, the LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. Did you get them correctly? Very good.
You did great!
Wow, you did a very good job. See you in our next lessons.